Hello YouTube, calorie content and composition of chocolate, what you need to know. It is known that chocolate is not only a delicacy, but also a healthy product, but in moderation and if it is natural black, bitter. The advantage of dark chocolate is that it has useful properties, which are few in milk and even more so in white chocolate. And another benefit of dark quality chocolate is that it is harder to eat in excessive amounts, because it is bitter because it contains less sugar. It is known that the quality of chocolate is determined by the percentage of cocoa in it. Plain chocolate contains 20% cocoa, high quality, from 70% to 90%. The higher the percentage of cocoa in chocolate, the healthier it is, because it contains many of the most important substances for which chocolate is worth eating, flavonols. There are more of them in cocoa beans than in other products, fruits or vegetables. Natural flavonols are unique substances with powerful antioxidant effects. It is the flavonols contained in chocolate that help regulate cholesterol levels and strengthen the cardiovascular system. In addition, they prevent skin aging. Other components found in cocoa beans have a positive effect on mood, are effective in combating inflammatory processes and also slow down the aging process. Most types of milk chocolate are just a calorie bomb, consisting mainly of regular sugar, not to mention white chocolate, where there are no cocoa beans at all, but only cocoa butter. Dark chocolate is definitely a healthy alternative to traditional milk or white chocolate. In addition, low-quality vegetable fats are often added to milk and white chocolate. It is also important that such chocolate may contain harmful trans fats and a large amount of sugar and additives, powdered milk and soy. For people who want to lose weight, but cannot completely give up sweets, I strongly do not recommend them. These types of chocolate do not belong to healthy foods. So not everything that is tasty is healthy. You should know that chocolate is a high-calorie product. Any kind of chocolate contains at least 500 kilocalories per 100 grams. This is 3 times more than meat, 170 kilocalories, and twice as much as bread, 250 kilocalories. But consumption in a limited amount, 25 grams per day, will not significantly affect the caloric content of the diet, will not cause changes in the weight of an adult, but will provide the body with the necessary substances, antioxidants that reduce the risk of heart disease and maintain the health of blood vessels. Also remember that it is better to consume chocolate in the morning, undeniably dark bitter, which is made from natural ingredients. As you can see, chocolate can bring not only pleasure, but also benefits. Then when we consume quality and in small quantities. All healthy and delicious food. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.